Hello, it's May 17th, 2021 at about probably around 11:54 a.m. and it's actually kind of warm this morning, about 76 degrees, so I hope you enjoyed that weather report. Well, any time now the cicadas will be returning. It's been about 17 years since they last came up out of the ground and were really, really loud. That wasn't a cicada, that was someone screeching on their brakes. It would be kind of horrific if that were a cicada. Anyway, yeah, I haven't heard any cicadas yet. But like I said, they should be returning any time now. And apparently there's going to be about 1 trillion of them along the East Coast. So it's probably going to be a little bit loud. And hopefully they won't be around too long. But yeah, it'll be interesting when they do arrive, so I guess that's something to look forward to. Also, Subnautica Below Zero finally came out of early access on May 14th. It wasn't an early access for as long as the original game was, but it was there for a while, but now the full version has finally been released. And about the only main difference between the full version and the latest early access version is that, well, the full version has the end of the story and the end game sequence. So that's something else to kind of look forward to. Doctor, would you care for some of this delicious turkey TV dinner I'm about to eat? Is that a no? I think that's a no. Well, anyway, I'm just going to go and wrap this up now since I don't really have anything else for it. So, I will see you next time. Bye.